These homemade custard donuts are soft, fluffy and stuffed with creamy custard filling. They're easy to make and so delicious. You're on Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's start. First, let's make creamy custard filling. For that we need milk, egg yolks, cornstarch, sugar, unsalted butter and vanilla extract. In mixing bowl, combine egg yolks, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract and mix it well. Make sure to not leave any lumps. Start slowly to add hot milk to the egg yolks mixture, whisking continuously. Then pour it into a saucepan and place on medium heat. Bring to boil and continue cooking for 3 to 5 minutes, whisking continuously until a lump-free custard forms. Take it off the heat, place in a bowl and add chilled butter. Mix it well. Cover the filling with clear wrap and leave to cool completely. For brioche donuts we need milk, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, egg yolk, vanilla sugar, active dry yeast, unsalted butter and pinch of salt. First we are going to activate our yeast. For that you have to combine warm milk, not hot, yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix it well. Cover it and leave it in warm place for 20 minutes. The yeast will get a little frosty to show it's activated. In spare bowl, combine egg yolks, rest of sugar, vanilla sugar and pinch of salt. Mix it well. Move it to a mixing bowl and add activated yeast mixture. Attach the dough hook and start to form a dough, adding sifted flour in thirds. With the mixer running, add butter. Increase the speed to medium-high and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until very smooth, subtle and it had pulled away from the sides. Knead the dough for 1 more minute. Cover the bowl with clear wrap or clean kitchen towel and leave it to rise in a warm place until doubled in size, about 1 to 1.5 hours. Punch down the dough to release the air, then transfer it to a clean work surface. Cut the dough into 6 pieces and form the balls. Cover them with clear wrap or clean kitchen towel and let the dough balls brew for 30 minutes until puffy. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Transfer donuts to a wire rack. Cool the donuts for 5 minutes, then coat them completely in sugar. Allow them to finish cooling. Once donuts are completely cool, use a long, thin object to poke a hole in the side of the donuts and move it around to create extra space for your custard. I'm using cream icing piping nozzle. When custard is completely cool, stir it a little bit. Fill donuts with the custard. And enjoy every bite of it.